Hello, I want to talk about the next assignment, and I'm going to show you where you can find it on the STMA art site. You want to go to classes, scroll down, find drawing and painting 1. There it is. Go to handouts, and we go over here to handouts, and we're going to look at the 4 basic shapes. You're going to be completing this assignment in your sketchbook. So most all three-dimensional objects can be broken down into 4 basic forms: a cube, a cylinder, a cone, and a sphere. Being able to draw these forms with confidence will add more weight and dimension to your future drawings. Complete all 3 tasks for each form. You'll be doing this again in your sketchbook. So let's start out here with the cylinder. You can see this cylinder. You're going to draw it in your sketchbook. Then you're going to include value on it. You want to draw it thinking about how the bottom of the cylinder, that curved line, needs to be parallel with the top line that is curved with this ellipse. Then you need to shade it. You need to shade it, and this is the hard part. You need to think about where your light is coming from. You want to think about the highlights, and that's where the sun or the light is directly hitting it. You want to think about the midtones of it, the core shadowing, which is the darkest spot here, but also on either side it's light, which gives it the reflective light. And then last, the cast shadow. So you are going to draw this and then shade this. And you can refer to my drawing video as well. But we're just going through the assignment. So look around your own home and create a detailed shaded drawing of one object that has the basic form of a cylinder: a round container, a garbage can, a glue stick, a can of pop. Start with the basic form of constructing your drawing. Then shade to show light and shadow. Draw this in your sketchbook. That's step 1. That's a cylinder, and refer to the video to how to draw it. Next is a sphere. Draw 2 more spheres below. You can draw them in various directions. Now, the best way to do a circle is to use the inside of a tape roll or top of a Pringles can, or if you have a compass around, to draw a circle. And I want you just to think about how we turn this flat shape into a form by adding value. So we have this circle here, and if we add value to it, we want to think about where the light is coming from. So this is our highlighted area, our mid-tones, our core shadow, which is the darkest spot there with reflective light, and thinking about the cast shadow. And again, refer to the video of me drawing this, and you can see how it's done. So use your device to find, or use your eyes, I should say, to find an image of an object that has the same basic form of a sphere. I don't know why I put device in, who knows. This could be a ball, a pumpkin, a head, etc. Complete a detailed shaded drawing of your chosen object. Shade to show light and shadows. Complete in your sketchbook. Next one, the cube. This is going to be a little bit more intense, and it's a little bit of a longer video because it's going to be completely separate, because we're going to talk about 1-point and 2-point perspective in drawing a cube. So I would be sure to watch that video. So you're going to draw 2 more cubes below. You can draw them in various directions. And then task 2 is you're going to shade the cube using 3 to 4 values. Each side of the cube should be different, shaded with a different value as shown in the numbered image below. Make sure you include a highlight, midtones, core shadow, reflective light, and cast shadow. This one, it's really important to watch the video if you're unsure of how to approach this project. 3, look around your house and see if you can find an object that has a basic form of a cube. This could be a book, an eraser, a pencil sharp. Create a detailed shaded drawing of your chosen object. Shade to show light and shadow, complete in your sketchbook. And the last one you're going to do is a cone. Draw 2 more cones below. You can draw them in various directions. Task 2, shade the cone here using 3 to 4 values. Each side of the cube, of the cone should be a different shade with a different value as shown in the numbered image below. Make sure you include the highlight, the midtone, the core shadows, reflective light, and cast shadow. And again, the last thing you're going to do is you are going to use your device or your eyes. You can to find an image of an object that has a basic form of a cone. This could be a party hat, a volcano, the top of a vase. Create a detailed shaded drawing of your chosen object. Shade to show light and shadow, complete in your sketchbook. So that is what is expected of you this week, and I really encourage you to watch the videos.